today's video, we are going to unbox this Troy-Bilt 42cc chainsaw with a 16-inch bar. I ordered this from Costco, January of 2025. It was delivered to my door, cost me $184 Canadian, taxes and everything included. Here's the contents of the box laid out. Chainsaw itself, some 2-cycle engine oil, nice of them to include that. The scabbard, as they call it in the owner's manual for protecting the bar. Spark plug wrench, operator's manual, owner's manual. Our instructions tell us for this 2-cycle motor oil, the ratio is 40:1, or one of these pockets for 1 gallon or 3.78 liters. So I measured out 1 gallon of fuel in this can here, and we will add our oil to that. Now we'll take the cap off of the fuel tank here and put our newly mixed fuel into the tank. The reservoir for the chainsaw bar oil is here. I thought I'd videotape myself putting it in, but I did not. All I'm using is a standard spring and summer chainsaw bar oil. I just turn this off here. You can see I actually put a bit too much in because it overran. Anyway, fill that up. This is the chain brake. We're going to disengage it by pulling it back towards the front handle here. Here's our on-off switch. Our instructions tell us to turn this on and then press the fuel bulb over here 10 times or until we see it's full of fuel. Okay, that's full of fuel now. Now we're going to pull the choke out to position 1. Read all the safety instructions for your saw. They'll tell you the position to get in to start it. And now that we've engaged the choke, we are going to pull it over 5 times. Now obviously don't do what I just did in that video, cutting the deck while I was on it. I specifically bought this little saw to dismantle that deck. Read your safety instructions, be careful with it. I'm actually pretty impressed with this little saw, because I sliced up that deck no problem. There is one thing I am going to show you. If you start it up, this is the trigger. See, that trigger here won't operate unless the palm of your hand is on here, and then you can use the trigger. If you fire it up and the saw is running high, you just give the trigger a quick little shot like that. So I've already got my money's worth out of this saw, other than cutting down a couple of little trees on my property here. I think it'd be a great little unit for the average homeowner.